All right, folks, this is going to be my next scrap out. I have two of these. They are steam and hold AccuTemp bread steamers. They are very, very heavy, and they are real stainless. So we're going to take this apart, see what makes it up, see what's in it, and sort it out with my other stainless and get the wiring and maybe switches and stuff like that out. So here she is. Let's take a look at an AccuTemp. It's got a magnetic closed door. It's got different shelf brackets where you can put several trays in there of buns or whatever you're trying to steam. And it's heavy, very heavy. I was barely able to get it on the dolly. Had to use a ratchet strap and everything I had to get it on the dolly. So we're going to start taking this apart over the next few days, and we'll get you a video going. I need something to put screws in. I'll be right back. All right, I got my trusty stainless steel water pot out of one of those high-dollar coffee makers. And even the screws I save, because let's see, where did you go, buddy? Where did you go? I can see it, but I can't get a hold of it. There it is. All right, even the screws. Whoop! I take that back. We're not. Huh. That one is slightly magnetic, so we are not going to save the screws. Let me get another one out and see if that's just nope, we're not saving the screws. So I can just get a bucket to put them in where I can dispose of them. I'll be right back. All right, I have my trusty horse feeder bucket. I gotta ask a question. I wish y'all would comment down below what you found, but mosquitoes love me. They eat me up. What have y'all found to deter mosquitoes and keep them from eating you alive? Because I've got several bites already, and I have a reaction to anything that bites me. What have y'all found that's best to use? I'm gonna take a picture of this for my thumbnail. Yeah, I've got to find something that works better than Alf works, but not good. Yet some of you are going to say, well, you could sell that for a lot of money, because it actually works when they pulled it out. But this was in that flood that we went and got a bunch of stuff from that campground, and I don't want to sell something that's been in flood water. I'd rather take it apart and see what it's made of, so you guys can see what it's made of. This thing is really big. I know on camera sometimes it don't do it justice, but I left the drill on top for kind of a example of the size. We'll try to set this thing up. pretty convenient. We'll leave it like that. Let the leg hold it. Yeah, these screws are really close to being stainless, but... And I don't know, these front ones may be. But the ones on the side, definitely not. Nope. They sure are close. They're magnetic stainless. I don't even know how this comes apart. Folks, let's have a seat. Take some more screws. Eventually it's got to fall apart. These side panels are stainless. Put that with the rest of them. Stainless steel them. A sheet like this, I'll keep both of these side panels because I could use those to make a sign or anything fun like that. Go ahead and flop it on over. Easier than getting on the ground and trying to do it standing upside down. Hope y'all had a good Labor Day weekend. Oh man, there's always one screw. Always, isn't it? I'm probably going to end up damaging that panel getting that screw out. Woo, a lot of insulation. This would make a great oven to use for powder coating or whatever, but it's just too little for what I need. I've got a big cabinet back there I hope I can use for powder coating. Well, let's see. See if I have a bit that will might take that out. Just about made it one of these square bits. Sure. No, it won't never hold. Have to grind it off, grind the head off where I can get it off. Looks like the inside is all restaurant grade stainless too. I'll throw a little insulation away to have more stainless. I've got a big collection of stainless out back. Oh Lord, that's heavy. Mercy, mercy, mercy. Okay. It's got a few dents and dings in it. Probably from loading it. Got a few more now. We'll just take all the screws out of it. Hope the traffic's not bothering you. I'm just out here enjoying my little work area in the shade under the tree. It's fixing to rain. Got a little rain blowing in. Ooh, got some cool stuff in there. Hopefully that motor's got real copper. Now see, that's a nice sheet of aluminum to do something with if you needed it. Very nice. Let's see. Oh, that's a cabinet. That sure is a cabinet. Style back. It's made together. Go ahead and cut the tail off of it. Alright, there's the tail. Got a little cast aluminum there and a nut. Alright, I need to get my barrel. I need to go get my gloves on. I don't want to handle this insulation. Talking about an itch I'd have to scratch. That is definitely one. Alright folks, I'm back working on this stainless steel steamer. It's a steamer. Taking this pump off of it. It's a nice relay. Oh, dropped it. Let me get my screw bucket. That's aluminum. Those could be little spacers for something. Be good for that. I'll save them. You never know when you might need them. Ain't that right? Ian Matthews in the shed. Oh, there's the other one. Spider web was hanging on to it. this pump is most likely good. There it is. Cut the wire on it. Yeah. Let's see what voltage this pump is. It can be wired 110 volt, 115, 120, and 240, 230 volt. So it can be either single phase or two phase, depending on how you wire it. So this pump would be very much worth hanging on to if somebody needed, you know, to pump water. Circulate water or something, although it's not weatherproof is the issue. So I don't know, I'll just have to see what we figure out about it. I'm gonna have to go get my socket set so I can pop off these I'll be right back. All right, see, there's a little stainless steel reservoir there. That would make a little oil catch can or something if somebody had a little hot rod. It's not very big though. A turboed hot rod, that is. Got a lot of brass fittings on it. I shouldn't never need a brass hose barb for a while. All right. Gotta get rid of these gloves. I can't do nothing with them. Nutting. Wonder if that'll fit. That hurt. There we go. wires on it. Interesting. I'm not really sure what them red things are, just maybe fuse jumpers or something. Not real sure. Okie dokie dokie dokie. Little fiber washers. Now, cut them. High temp wire. Need to get this table over closer to me. So I got somewhere to lay my stuff and still be close to it. Okay. Got a lot of wires to clip. That looks like aluminum wire. Hard to tell. If it is, I'm not even going to bother cutting it out. Yeah, it's got a copper look to it. But right there, it looks like it's tin coated copper, maybe. I don't know, it's really hard to tell. It's not a dark copper, I know that. A little thin piece of stainless. All right. That's too big. Wonder. It's not a 7/16. I wonder if that'll accidentally get it off. Yeah, maybe accidentally. Little stainless steel plate with some little transformers on it. Go ahead and make it clean. Clean stainless. Okay. Now I've got to find my socket I just dropped. I've got to get me some long bits. I need them really bad. What is that thing? Power converter or something? Taking the door off now. Oh, that door's heavy. See if I can get these screws out of here so I don't drop them. Couldn't get my finger to work to get them out. We checked them screws and they look like stainless, but they're still magnetic. So I wasn't gonna keep them. All right. I may end up putting these back on, this door back on. This probably would made a great egg incubator. So I've got it, the switches and stuff mostly off of it. This big plate, I don't know, it's 3/4 of an inch thick, solid stainless steel come out of it. I guess that's what helps hold the heat. Of course, all of this is stainless. Now we just gotta get these gauges off here. Stainless. Hope y'all are doing okay today. Get this thing out of the way, get the stainless pieces put in that barrel, and then this stainless box here would be good for something. I'm not sure what. I don't know if a person could. I guess I'll just use it to store the stainless steel leftovers in until I get ready to get paid for it. I'm gonna carry my stainless at the end of the year with everything else, I believe. Vacuum gauge. We might need that. That might come in handy. Ow, that hurt. Pinched me. Old cheap pair of vice grips. I need to get me some good vice grips. Maybe I'll ask for some for Christmas. There we go. Not sure that one's stainless. No, it's not. But these are. And that is a temperature gauge. But I done messed up and cut the element off of it, so that won't do me no good now. For that matter, yeah, we're just gonna keep plugging away. Keep plugging away. They baling hay across the road over there. It's probably gonna be their last cut of the year. It may not be, but I kind of feel like it might be. Hopefully for them it's not. Oh, let's see here. smaller than that. 3/8. See. Mosquitoes are out. I don't know if they bother y'all, but they eat me up. Got me an aluminum heat sink here. Nice heavy one too, to go with all my other extruded heat sinks. We about got her stripped. Yep. All right, let's change our bits and our bops. Leave me alone, mosquitoes. All right. Nice big heavy piece of stainless. All right. I'm gonna check a couple things here. Stainless bolts sticking through, all stainless. Wow, that's a good score on stainless. And I've got another one just like this steamer. I got two of them when I made the pickup, so I think that's awesome. I hope y'all can see what's going on here. May have had the camera tilted the wrong way or something. All right, let's see what else I can do. I have got to get this rubber hose off. I don't have a, maybe I do have a somewhat of a screwdriver. I need a knife now, which I don't have on me. Yep, skeeters are starting to fly. I better go get me some skeeter repellent. Otherwise, they're gonna eat me up. Take this valve arm off. I don't need that valve. I'll just scrap it out. It's brass. Yeah, I don't think it's open up big enough. Oh yeah, it does. It ain't long enough though. Let me go get my other one. screwing the end off. Excuse me, my nose decided to start running. Oh well. We'll take her apart. Try to. Probably gonna have to have a monkey wrench. Have to go get my pipe wrenched. I don't even know if I'll be able to grab a hold of it good. May have to cut around it a little further. All right. Went and got my knife. That's a big old hose bar there. Getting them off's gonna be fun. Look at there. Guide it. Brassy bits. Ain't that right, Dumpster Jerry? Oh no, this thing got... It's got in a position where I can't... There we go. There we go. Look at that. These I'll keep because, man, I've needed some hose barbs that were small on one end and big on the other. And, you know, it's hard to find the right hose barb when you need it. So I'll definitely hang on to them in my stash. They're right, Ian Matthews. We got a stash. Really know what size that is. Okay, it's about a ½ inch. Yeah, that one should work. Yep, ½ inch. There you go. Copper and brassy bits. See, now I can get to take this off. Stainless is sharp. Brassy bits. All right. We're getting there. Excuse my sniffling. Let's see. We just got to get that off. And those two. And I think we'll be sorted and ready. Let's see. Should have a socket to fit those in my little set here. Maybe this one. Definitely not that one. See if I'll just make this work. I think I'm gonna have to probably screw those out. So that's a 9/16. I don't think I have anything bigger than a 9/16 in here, but I might. I packed up all my small stuff to keep in my truck. It's a freewheeling.